Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I'm giving myself a tattoo and hopefully you'll join me on this journey. Today I'm trying out for the very first time ever the Inkbox. If you don't know what Inkbox is, it's essentially like a stick-on tattoo but for adults. They actually look really realistic. They have so many different designs. You can custom design your own, and there you go. That's it. We shall see whether it's as easy to put on as it is to order. If you would like to see what Inkbox looks like, wears like, how it works, then all you have to do is keep on watching. I got into this because I have this idea for a tattoo, but tattoos are a permanent thing. You get them done and they stay with you for life. You can get laser treatments, but they're expensive, they're painful. Apparently, I haven't had them done. I'm really happy with my one singular tattoo, but I want to get more, but I don't know whether I do want to get them. And I think this is a really cool idea. Like I've mentioned previously, it's essentially like a, you know how you'd get those tattoos, like a transfer on your skin as a child. It's essentially that, but for adults. This is water resistant. It lasts between 1 to 2 weeks. It's cruelty free. It's cruelty free. Cruelty free, develops in 24 hours, and application time 1 to 2 minutes. Leave on for 60 minutes. Tattoo will darken in 24 hours to 36 hours, and tattoo will last for a week or two. So I got mine online, as you do, and I got the following: 2 of these sun things, because, well, it's like a sun and a moon. This is exactly what I would want as a tattoo, and I'm considering getting this, like an actual tattoo. All of these I'm actually considering getting tattooed. I really like the look of a jellyfish, and I'm considering getting this done on my thigh, so that will be something that I try out another day. I'm not trying it out today. And most importantly, I'm trying this out today. This is a custom designed tattoo that I made for myself, inspired by Jonathan Jolie's look and a quote. In fact, because I combined, I've got writing inside that's reflected, so when I look at myself in the mirror, I can read the text. They actually got in touch with me asking if I know that this is flipped, but I do, which, yeah, I really like the company so far, that they, you know, the attention to detail and them wanting to get it right for me, already a massive plus. Some brands wouldn't care. I actually got some little tattoos for free as well, which I will be doing today. This one's so cute. It's a sun. I might do it on my hand. Let's just not prolong this. It does have a card and it does say follow along with the video, but I don't want to follow along with the video. This is why I'm making this, so people can watch my video, not yours. Pre-application, things you need to know. Sweating will make your tattoo blurry. I don't think the places that I want to put these on are sweaty. I'm not super hot. Apply in a comfortable setting with a room temperature. For areas with dense hair, again, don't think there's that much hair there. Shave at least 24 hours to prior, blah blah blah. Because I don't want to ruin my custom tattoo first, I'm going to get one of these that I got 2 of, and try that one first. I want it here. Can you see it? Can you even see it? Let me bump myself up. Hopefully you can see it. If not, if you can't see my face, it don't really matter. That's where I'm putting the tattoo. Let's prime. This wipe helps smooth and hydrate your skin, ensuring optimal tattoo application. I'm going to put 30 seconds a 30-second timer and we are going to exfoliate. So I've got the wipe, doesn't say which side, doesn't smell very nice, and I'm going to start wiping. I need to start wiping and I'm going to wipe for 30 seconds. Oh, 30 seconds is over. Time is up. And 30 more seconds to let it dry. I definitely want to get it nice and dry. I don't want to ruin the tattoo. 30 seconds gone, but I do feel like it's a little bit wet still. So there we go. Peeling off the plastic, that was terrible. And it does say peel off, only peel off this side. So let's do that. Okay, not as easy as it seems. Okay, I get it. So it looks like that. I'm nervous. And it's on. Eee! This is exciting. Right, I think I've applied it quite well. I'm proud of myself. There's no like bubbles underneath the skin, and it actually does look and feel like that foil that they put on you when you get a real tattoo. I can't really bend my arm because it's bending the thing, so I'm going to try and leave my arm straight. Let's put an hour timer on, 60 minutes on the clock. Let's wear it and let's peel it off after. You know what? I actually decided that I'm going to put one more tattoo, one of the little ones, on my hand, because they do have a suggestion on how long these last, and I just want to test their counting abilities, I think. Let's do a little rose or a little, just some flowers on the finger. I'm getting a bubble. So I'm just going to try and flatten this, because I think if obviously there's no contact with the skin in that area, it's not going to show up. Let's exfoliate / clean my finger. This is so cute. There we go. Put it there. Oh, I'm getting a really big bubble in one place. I kind of want to tape it down. Should I do it? No, this is why I'm testing it out for you guys. This already looks kind of green. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. Okay, I shall see you in an hour. I've got things to do. Okay, it's almost been an hour, and I have to say it was interesting. I did end up putting a little bit of tape around my finger and around my arm, because, you know, like even moving a little bit, like you move your hands just to get comfy, even on the sofa. There we go. Timer's going off. You will move. Like, yeah, it does say avoid excessive movement, but like, I'm not working out, I'm just doing my day-to-day things. Also, what was interesting is trying to wash my hands without getting water under this. I've only just done it like 10 minutes ago, which is fine. Hopefully the thing has transferred, and yeah, it's going to be interesting washing hands, avoiding this area, because, you know, it does say avoid showering for like 8 hours or something. Yeah, wait at least 8 hours after applying your tattoo to moisturize or shower. but I'm gonna wash my hands throughout the day, you know. Alright, anyway, let's just peel this bad boy off. And there it is. It's there. It does say that after removing the plastic, your tattoo will look light blue or green at first, and it will take from 24 hours to 36 to darken. It has pretty much disappeared. It has fully disappeared from the plastic. Let's do this bad boy. I'm gonna pull myself up again. Let's see, has it fully transferred? Yay, it has. That looks cute. This is what it looks like straight after the plastic being taken off. I like it. And I shall see you in 24 hours to show you how much it darkened, or if I even see later on today that it's darkening. Cool, so far I think it was really easy. You know, you just wipe it, make the area clean, put the thing on. I did try, I was conscious of it and like kept evening this out so there was no air bubbles, but they came out very, very cute. Alright, let's give you an update. It has been a week and I'm just looking at that little leaflet that we had because on the hand one it says faded look on day 5 to 8. Mine is completely gone. Like completely. I cannot see any of that initial thing, but I do have some pictures that we'll discuss in a second. The bicep one, I'm gonna call this my bicep even though there's like barely anything there, is very, very faded, and it's supposed to look sort of faded between 8 to 14 days, which makes me think that the faded look, it's like you're hoping for that. I wasn't scrubbing when having a shower. I literally took water and soap and like gently rubbed my arms. Obviously, like my hand, I wash my hands several times a day, so I'm not surprised it came off quite quickly, and it was probably the first one to like get the biggest hit of water. Like I filmed the video and went for a wee like 2 hours after I filmed, probably not even that, and I obviously had to wash my hands. That one did I did shower that day. Actually, did I may have chosen not to shower that night and just had a shower in the morning. I can't remember now. It's been a week. So that's why I'm thinking it's still there. I did take a picture on the night of when I filmed the video, like 8 hours after, and my hand tattoo looked beautiful, very, very vibrant. I still had to wait for my bicep tattoo to sort of come through and be very, very vibrant, but it did fully come out the next morning. The hand tattoo looked even darker, very, very vibrant, which was nice because it came off a little bit quicker. Overall, I'm actually really pleased with my Inkbox purchase. I would highly recommend this to people who are considering certain designs that they want to get tattooed permanently, just to sort of trial out, or if you're the kind of person that loves the look of tattoos but is scared of needles, or you can't get tattoos for whatever reason, I actually think this is a really good idea. You have to bear in mind that they are, in my opinion, quite expensive, especially for how long it lasts. You can't do it wrong, I think. It was quite easy to follow sort of the steps. I'm looking forward to trying out my custom tattoo and the jellyfish, just every tattoo that I actually want to get in the future permanently. I just want to try out, and I think this is a brilliant idea for that especially. I personally think it's a good idea, but whether you want to spend your hard-earned money on this or not is your own choice. That's that on that. As always, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. But for now, thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.